Welcome back. Now in this video, we are going to start the process of starting our free trial with Shopify. And so to do that, we're going to enter our email address right here on Shopify.com. We're then going to click Start a Free Trial. We're going to put in our password and store name. We're now going to click Create Your Store. We'll then need to answer some questions in Shopify. Once you do that, you'll then click Next. You'll then need to write in your name, address, and phone number. Once you do that, you'll then click Enter My Store. Now, once you've entered the inside, what you'll need to do is you'll need to select a plan to start your free trial. You'll then choose the plan that you will be most likely to start with, or you can choose not to have a store online and sell with a buy button on Facebook for the least amount of outlay. Now, if you start the free trial, you're going to notice that your plan includes the lowest level, which is going to be your online store. So for the sake of this course, what we're going to do is we're going to choose the basic Shopify plan. And when we do that, you'll notice then that we're going to confirm we're going to sign up for the basic price, and it's going to expire in 14 days. When we'll be actually charged. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to place our card number in, and we're going to start the plan. Once you do that with your card, you're going to notice that your address will then need to be verified. You'll see here in your email, which you will then need to confirm by clicking the link. Once you do that, then your account will be verified, and then you can begin using your Shopify account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.